Excel is often used to create charts that then need to go into either a PowerPoint presentation or a Word document or something like that. The problem is that you go and you copy and paste it into a PowerPoint, and then something changes, and that you find you're continually having to adjust between the two. So there is a way to set up your chart so that it links from PowerPoint or Word back to Excel. So the way you do that is you go copy. So I've gone Control C, and I'm going to come here, and instead of pasting, because that's up to PowerPoint then to decide how it's going to do it, I'm going to click on paste. I'm going to go to paste special. You'll see there's a whole bunch of options here, and then there's something called paste link, and I'm going to choose this chart object. When I say OK, you'll see it puts it in, so it looks the same, which is pretty standard. But the important thing here is that these two are now linked. So this PowerPoint is now linked to this Excel file. So firstly, let's go change this actual. I'm going to change that to 50, and what you'll see is this changes and that will change. So when I click enter, you'll see both of those have changed. If I go back and now get my actuals back up to 90, you'll see both change. What's important here is if we go to PowerPoint and I right click, you'll see similar to Excel, there's now something called update link. So this now knows it's linked to Excel, and you have the ability to update it. And when you close and open this file, when you open it, it knows it's linked to Excel, and so it will, similar to the way Excel acts, it will ask you if it must update itself. So this is quite a nice way to link between Excel and PowerPoint. Just be careful, if you have too many links like this, it can make your PowerPoint or Word very slow.